Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a fascinating and thrilling topic for collectors and investors alike, the rare and highly valuable Australian $1 and $2 coins. These coins are making headlines in today's auction markets with their skyrocketing values, and if you happen to have one of these in your collection, you might just be sitting on a gold mine. Stay tuned because we are going to uncover everything about these sensational coins, from their history, their unique features, why they are so rare, their astonishing current market value in dollars, and of course, some crucial tips for collectors who want to grab hold of these treasures before prices climb even higher. First up, we have something truly special, the Australian 2010 $2 coin in very fine condition. This is not just any ordinary coin. Collectors and investors alike are hunting for this beauty because of its increasing market demand and rising value. If you happen to have one in your possession, you might be sitting on a small fortune. Stick around as we explore the fascinating history, unique features, rarity, and the incredible market value of this highly sought-after coin. The Australian $2 coin has a rich history, first introduced in 1988 to replace the $2 banknote. It quickly became an essential part of everyday transactions, but certain years and mintages have gained legendary status among collectors. The 2010 Australia $2 coin is one such example, standing out due to its limited numbers, distinct characteristics, and the fact that very few have survived in excellent condition. Produced by the Royal Australian Mint, this coin carries not only monetary value but also historical significance, making it a prized possession for numismatists worldwide. What makes the 2010 Australian $2 coin so special? First, its design is iconic, featuring the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on one side, designed by Ian Rank Broadley. On the reverse, we have the classic image of an Aboriginal elder, a tribute to Australia's rich Indigenous heritage. The detail and craftsmanship in this coin are exceptional, with sharp, well-defined edges and an intricate finish that distinguishes it from other years. Many coins from this year also exhibit slight variations in minting, making certain versions even rarer and more desirable among collectors. Rarity is one of the biggest driving factors behind the skyrocketing value of the 2010 Australia $2 coin. While millions of $2 coins circulate in Australia, finding one from 2010 in very fine or better condition is becoming increasingly difficult. Many were heavily used in circulation, and pristine examples have become exceptionally rare. Collectors actively seek coins with minimal wear, strong design details, and no major scratches or damage. The combination of low survival rates and increasing collector interest has made this coin a true hidden treasure. Now the most exciting part, how much is this coin actually worth today? The market for rare coins has been booming, and the 2010 Australia $2 coin is no exception. Depending on its condition, this coin can fetch anywhere from $200,000, with some top-quality examples selling for even more at auctions and private sales. Collectors and investors recognize the growing scarcity of these coins, pushing demand higher and increasing the value year after year. If you have a well-preserved 2010 Australia $2 coin, you could be looking at a top dollars return on what was once just pocket change. If you are a collector or thinking about getting into coin collecting, here is how you can make the most of this opportunity. First, always check your change. Many valuable coins are still in circulation, waiting to be discovered. When assessing a coin, look for sharp details, minimal wear, and original luster. Keeping your coins in protective cases can help maintain their condition and increase their future value. Additionally, consider getting your coin professionally graded to authenticate its rarity and maximize its market worth. With demand growing, now is the perfect time to start or expand your collection. The 2010 Australian $2 coin is more than just currency. It is a valuable collector's item with an impressive market presence. With increasing rarity and strong demand, its value is only expected to rise. Whether you are a seasoned numismatist or just starting, this coin is one you definitely want to keep an eye on. So check your wallets, dig through your change, and who knows, you might be holding on to a rare gem worth much more than its face value. Next up, we are diving into a truly remarkable and highly sought-after coin that has been making serious waves in the collector's market. The Australia $1, commemorating the 60th anniversary of the end of World War II, minted in 2005. This isn't just any ordinary coin. This is a stunning piece of history, packed with meaning, beauty, and growing value. Especially if you have one in extra fine condition like the one we are discussing today, you are holding on to a coin that is becoming rarer and more valuable with every passing year. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you will see exactly why this coin deserves a premium spot in any serious collection, and why the action in today's coin market is hotter than ever for this incredible piece. The Australia $1 2005 end of World War II 60th anniversary coin is not just a numismatic item. It is a living tribute to one of the most significant events in modern history, the end of World War II. Minted by the Royal Australian Mint, this coin was released to honor and remember the sacrifices, the struggles, and ultimately the triumph that marked the end of a global conflict that reshaped the world forever. Australia's involvement in the war was profound, with thousands of brave soldiers serving across various battlefronts. This coin stands as a proud acknowledgement of Australia's role and the peace that followed. In 2005, the Mint captured the spirit of national pride and historical reflection perfectly with this stunning release, and today it has grown far beyond its commemorative roots to become a prized collector's gem. Now, let us talk about the design, because this is where the Australia $1 2005 coin truly shines. On the reverse, it features a magnificent representation of a laurel wreath, surrounding the words World War II 60th Anniversary. The laurel wreath, historically a symbol of victory and peace, is beautifully detailed and gives the coin a classic, timeless look. The design carries a powerful emotional weight, instantly evoking thoughts of honor and remembrance. The obverse of the coin, of course, showcases the elegant portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Ian Rank Broadley, which is a hallmark of quality and tradition in Australian coinage. The craftsmanship, the details, the symbolism, every part of this coin speaks volumes. And when you have one in extra fine condition, those intricate details are sharp, clear, and absolutely breathtaking, making it a standout piece in any collection. Rarity and conditions for collector demand. Demand for this coin is skyrocketing, and it is no surprise why. While millions of ordinary dollar coins are minted every year, commemorative issues like the 2005 60th anniversary coin were made in much smaller quantities compared to regular circulation coins. Plus, finding one in true extra fine condition today is becoming increasingly difficult. Many coins have been lost, circulated heavily, or damaged over time, leaving only a smaller pool of well-preserved examples. Collectors worldwide are always on the hunt for pieces that are both historically significant and in excellent condition, and this coin checks both boxes perfectly. Its connection to a global event, its limited availability, and its stunning design have combined to create a perfect storm of collector demand. Every day, more collectors are realizing the importance of this piece, pushing prices and desirability even higher. And now, the big question everyone is asking is, how much is it worth today? Well, you are going to be thrilled. In today's booming collector market, an Australia $1 2005 end of World War II 60th anniversary coin in extra fine condition is commanding impressive prices. Recent sales and auction results show values easily reaching between $400,000, depending on specific quality and presentation, and that is just for extra fine. Coins in even slightly better conditions, like near uncirculated, are fetching even higher, sometimes touching $430,000 or more. The appreciation is truly remarkable. And with rising global interest in World War II memorabilia and historical coins, experts predict that prices will continue to climb steadily in the coming years. This is a coin that is not just valuable today, it is poised for even greater heights in the future. For collectors who are serious about securing and preserving the value of their Australia $1 2005 end of World War II coin, here's some valuable advice. First, Make sure your coin is properly stored. Use a high-quality coin holder or capsule to protect it from dust, moisture, and scratches. Presentation matters, especially when you are dealing with a coin that is climbing in value so quickly. Also, if you have not yet added this piece to your collection, now is the perfect time to do so before prices surge even further. Always aim for the highest grade you can afford. Extra fine and above will yield the best returns in the future. And finally, keep your eye on reputable auction houses and certified dealers. Having a coin with documented authenticity and grading can make a huge difference when it comes time to sell or showcase your collection. In conclusion, the Australia $1 2005 End of World War II 60th anniversary coin is not just another commemorative piece. It is a powerful symbol of history, a masterpiece of design, and a true investment for the future. Its combination of historical significance, limited mintage, stunning artistry, and rapidly rising demand makes it one of the smartest additions you can make to your collection today. If you have one already, treasure it. If you are thinking about getting one, do not wait too long. Opportunities like this do not come around often. Next up, we have a truly exciting treasure to explore: the Australia $1 coin, commemorating the 100th anniversary of the birth of the legendary Charles Kingsford Smith, issued in 1997. This coin is not just a piece of currency, it is a piece of history, a piece of aviation heritage, and today it is becoming one of the hottest collectibles in the numismatic world. Especially if you find this coin in fine condition, you are holding on to a gem that is rapidly rising in value in the action-packed collector's market. So stay tuned, because I'm going to take you through the full story of this incredible coin, why it is so rare and sought after today, and just how much it can be worth in dollars right now. The story of this iconic coin begins with the legendary Charles Kingsford Smith himself. Born in 1897, Smithy, as he was affectionately known, was a pioneering Australian aviator who captured the world's imagination with his daring flights and fearless spirit. He became a national hero by completing the first trans-Pacific flight from the United States to Australia and other groundbreaking journeys that pushed the limits of aviation. To honor his incredible contribution to aviation and Australian history, the Royal Australian Mint released a special $1 coin in 1997, marking the 100th anniversary of his birth. This was not just another commemorative issue, it was a heartfelt tribute to a man whose adventures defined a generation and inspired millions. The coin's release was met with excitement from the start, but little did people know that in the coming years, it would become a major highlight for serious collectors worldwide. The design of the 1997 Charles Kingsford Smith $1 coin is a masterpiece that stands out boldly even among Australia's rich tradition of stunning numismatics. On the obverse side, of course, is the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, crafted with elegance by the artist Raphael Maklouf. However, it is the reverse that truly makes this coin a treasure. It features a striking portrait of Charles Kingsford Smith himself, paired perfectly with the image of his famous aircraft, the Southern Cross, soaring into history. The level of detail is incredible. From the confident expression on Smithy's face to the fine lines of the plane, everything is rendered with precision and passion. This stunning combination of portraiture and aviation art makes the coin not only a monetary piece, but a work of collectible art. Adding to its uniqueness, the coin was minted in aluminum bronze, giving it a beautiful, rich golden hue that captures light in an almost magical way, making it highly attractive for collectors and investors alike. Now, let us talk about why this coin is in such high demand today. Although millions were minted initially, finding this coin in fine condition or better is becoming increasingly rare. Over time, circulation naturally took its toll on many of these coins. However, coins that have been preserved well, maintaining crisp details and minimal wear, are now commanding serious attention from collectors worldwide. The key here is the condition. A fine or higher grade piece is highly sought after because it allows collectors to appreciate all the intricate details of Charles Kingsford Smith's portrait and the magnificent depiction of the Southern Cross. Furthermore, the aviation theme combined with Australian pride makes this coin attractive not just to coin collectors, but to aviation enthusiasts and historians as well. This crossover appeal is fueling its demand more and more each year, making it a centerpiece in many prestigious collections today. Let us move on to what everyone is excited to hear: the current market value. In today's collector's action market, a 1997 Charles Kingsford Smith $1 coin in fine condition can easily fetch between $260,000, depending on the exact quality and presentation. And if you happen to have one in even better condition, say very fine or extra fine, the value can climb even higher, sometimes reaching $300,000 or more at auction, especially among serious Australian coin collectors. And the momentum is growing. As more collectors rush to complete their aviation or Australian commemorative sets, the value trajectory for this coin continues pointing upwards. It is not just a coin anymore, it is an investment, a piece of growing historical value that shows no signs of slowing down. If you are lucky enough to own one of these magnificent coins, or you are thinking of adding it to your collection, here are a few expert tips. First, preservation is key. Keep the coin in a protective sleeve or display case to avoid unnecessary wear and tarnishing. The cleaner and sharper the features on Smithy's portrait and the aircraft, the higher the market value will be. Secondly, documentation matters. If you can pair your coin with original mint packaging or certificates from trusted dealers, it can enhance its worth even further. Also, stay informed about current market trends. The demand for Australian aviation coins is on a strong rise, and being aware of auction results and private sales will help you time your selling or trading decisions perfectly. Lastly, do not underestimate networking. Joining online numismatic forums or Australian coin collector groups can expose you to buyers willing to pay premium prices for such a high-demand coin. So there you have it. The Australia $1 1997 Charles Kingsford Smith commemorative coin is not just a beautiful piece of art and history, but also a smart collector's investment in today's booming numismatic world. Its connection to a true Australian legend, combined with its stunning design and rising rarity, makes it one of the most exciting coins you can own today. If you have one in fine condition, congratulations, you are holding a highly desirable piece that is only set to become more valuable in the future. Stay proud of your collection, keep seeking treasures like this, and remember, every coin tells a story, and some, like this one, tell a story that will keep getting richer with time. Next up, we are about to explore a truly special gem that has been catching the attention of collectors worldwide, the Australia $1 coin, celebrating the International Year of Volunteers, 2001. If you are a coin enthusiast, or even just someone curious about hidden treasures, stay tuned, because this coin is not just a beautiful piece of history, it is also becoming a high-demand asset in the collector's market, fetching impressive values in today's auctions. Make sure you watch until the end to get all the exciting details, including how much this coin could be worth right now. The Australia $1 International Year of Volunteers coin was issued in 2001, a year globally recognized by the United Nations as the International Year of Volunteers. Australia, always keen to honor significant global events, decided to issue a special commemorative coin to celebrate the vital contributions of volunteers to society. This was not just another coin added to circulation, it was a powerful symbol of gratitude and recognition. The Royal Australian Mint, famous for its high-quality designs and precision minting, struck this coin with an artistic and thoughtful design that captured the spirit of volunteering perfectly. It is part of a proud tradition where Australia uses its coinage to mark important international and national events, making this piece historically significant and especially desirable among collectors today. What truly sets the 2001 International Year of Volunteers $1 coin apart is its stunning design. The reverse side of the coin features a stylized figure with arms uplifted, symbolizing the spirit of volunteerism, a vibrant and dynamic design that is both modern and deeply meaningful. Surrounding the figure are smaller motifs representing diversity and unity among volunteers across the globe. The details are finely engraved, offering a visual richness that stands out sharply, especially in very fine condition. On the obverse, as is traditional, we see the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, expertly sculpted, further adding a royal prestige to the coin. The sharpness of the details, the harmonious balance between the text and imagery, and the unique meaning behind the design make this coin a true work of art, far beyond a simple medium of exchange. Now let us talk about what makes this coin even more exciting, its rarity and the enormous collector demand. While millions were minted originally, finding a 2001 International Year of Volunteers dollar in very fine condition today is a serious challenge. Over the years, coins from everyday circulation often get heavily worn, scratched, or damaged. But coins that have survived in very fine or better condition are now few and far between, making them highly sought after. As collectors increasingly focus on preserving history in its finest form, demand for high-grade examples of this coin is surging. Auction houses and private collectors alike are competing fiercely to get their hands on well-preserved pieces. And because the coin celebrates an internationally significant cause, it attracts not just Australian collectors, but also global audiences, adding even more heat to the demand. Let's get to the part that everyone has been waiting for, the current market value of this incredible coin. As of today, a 2001 Australia $1 International Year of Volunteers coin in very fine condition can command prices ranging from $500,000 in online marketplaces and live auctions. Coins graded even higher, such as extremely fine or about uncirculated examples, are easily pushing past the $530,000 mark, depending on their eye appeal and luster. It is important to note that coins with absolutely minimal wear and strong original details fetch premium prices because collectors are willing to pay more for coins that closely resemble their original mint state. And with demand only rising, especially as more collectors seek out early 2000 commemoratives, this coin is projected to continue appreciating in value over the coming years. If you are thinking about adding the Australia $1 International Year of Volunteers coin to your collection, here are some valuable tips to help you secure a top-notch piece. First, always prioritize condition coins in very fine condition or better hold significantly more value. Look closely at the high points of the design. The stylized figure's arms and the intricate small motifs around them should have strong visible details without heavy flattening. Secondly, purchasing from reputable dealers or verified auction platforms can ensure you are getting a genuine piece, as demand has led to occasional replicas floating around. Finally, consider professional grading if you own a particularly high-quality example, as a certified grade from a respected company can significantly boost the coin's market value. Smart collecting now could mean handsome rewards in the future, as this coin's prestige only grows. In conclusion, the Australia $1 International Year of Volunteers 2001 coin is much more than just currency. It is a celebration of humanity's selfless spirit, beautifully captured in metal and increasingly recognized as a valuable collector's item. With its unique background, eye-catching design, growing rarity in very fine condition, and rising auction prices, this coin stands out as a must-have in any serious collection. If you come across this coin in your change in an old collection or in an online auction, do not hesitate. You could be holding on to a true numismatic treasure. Next up, we are diving into a truly exciting and rare find that has been making serious waves in the collector world, the Australia $1 2006 coin, especially in very fine condition. This coin has been gaining incredible attention at auctions and private sales, with collectors willing to pay top dollar to add it to their collections. If you are lucky enough to own one or are hunting for it, you might just be sitting on a small fortune. In this video, we will explore everything about this incredible coin, its fascinating history, its unique features, why it is so rare and highly demanded, what it is worth today in the market, and important tips for collectors looking to get the best out of this golden opportunity. So make sure you stick around until the end because you won't want to miss any detail about this powerful coin that is taking the numismatic world by storm. Let's begin by stepping back in time to understand the history behind the Australia $1 2006 coin. Issued by the Royal Australian Mint, The $1 coin was introduced to replace the $1 note in 1984, and since then it has been a beloved part of Australia's currency system. The 2006 release is especially significant because it came during a period of strong economic growth in Australia, symbolizing prosperity and stability. Although millions of $1 coins are struck each year, certain years, like 2006, stand out because of unique minting characteristics, lower mintage numbers for specific variations, and the increasing collector interest over time. As the years have gone by, the 2006 Australia $1 coin has become increasingly rare to find in very fine or better condition, making it a coveted treasure for those who understand its true value. What sets the Australia $1 2006 apart is its classic and instantly recognizable design. On the obverse side, we find the elegant portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, crafted by renowned sculptor Ian Rank Broadley. His portrayal of the Queen is one of the most detailed and admired versions, showing her facing right, wearing the royal diadem. The reverse features the iconic design of 5 bounding kangaroos, created by Stuart Devlin, symbolizing Australia's dynamic spirit and vibrant wildlife. The craftsmanship is extraordinary, with fine detailing in both the Queen's portrait and the kangaroo scene. Even after years of circulation, coins in very fine condition retain a stunning amount of this intricate artistry, with sharp edges, clear imagery, and minimal wear. It is this beautiful combination of national symbolism and masterful minting that makes the 2006 edition stand out so proudly among collectors today. One of the main reasons this coin is attracting so much excitement right now is its growing rarity. Coins from 2006, especially those surviving in very fine condition or better, have become increasingly scarce in circulation. Many coins have been heavily worn through daily use, while others have disappeared into private collections. Collectors today are prioritizing coins that have maintained strong visual appeal, clear details, minimal scratches, and good luster. And the 2006 Australia $1 in very fine condition perfectly matches this high demand. It is important to understand that as the supply of high-quality 2006 Australia $1 coins dwindles, the competition among collectors naturally drives the market value higher. In fact, auction houses and online marketplaces are seeing intense bidding wars whenever a well-preserved 2006 coin appears. Simply put, owning a very fine 2006 Australia $1 coin today places you in a privileged group of collectors holding a truly prized asset. Now let's talk about what everyone wants to know, the current market value. In today's dynamic collector market, a very fine condition Australia $1 2006 coin can fetch between $280,000, depending on the specific eye appeal and demand at the time of sale. In some hot auctions, coins have even pushed past these averages, reaching upwards of $300,000 or more, especially if the coin exhibits near extra fine qualities or comes with a certificate of authenticity. With continued growing interest and fewer coins entering the collector's circle each year, it is very likely that these values will continue to rise in the near future. Holding on to a very fine 2006 Australia $1 today is not just a passion for history and art, but also a smart financial move for tomorrow. It is becoming clear that this coin is not just a nice collector's item, it is a booming investment opportunity. For those lucky enough to already own this treasure, or for those actively searching, here are a few important tips to maximize your experience. First, preservation is everything. Store your $1 2006 coin in a high-quality coin capsule or airtight holder to prevent any further wear or oxidation. Second, if you are purchasing, always buy from trusted dealers or certified auction sites to ensure authenticity and quality. Look closely for coins that have a strong strike, clear details on the Queen's crown and the kangaroo bodies, and minimal rim nicks. These features will always fetch higher premiums. Third, stay updated with numismatic market trends, because the value of rare coins like this can rise quickly, and timing your sale or purchase can make a big difference. Finally, consider grading your coin through a professional service if it is in especially good condition. Graded coins often sell for significantly higher prices and provide buyers with greater confidence. In conclusion, the Australia $1 2006 coin in very fine condition is truly a shining star in today's collector's market. With its rich history, iconic design, growing rarity, and solid market value, it stands as one of the most exciting coins you could own right now. Whether you are a seasoned numismatist or a passionate newcomer, this coin represents the perfect blend of art, history, and investment. As the demand continues to surge and available supplies shrink, those who hold on to their 2006 Australia $1 coins will be well rewarded. Next up, we have something truly special to talk about, a coin that not only carries historical importance, but is also creating a major buzz in the collector's world. I am talking about none other than the Australia $1 100th anniversary of women's suffrage 2003 coin. This coin, especially in extra fine condition, is becoming one of the most sought-after pieces in today's action-packed coin market. If you have one, or you are lucky enough to find one, you could be holding on to a true gem that is seeing big value rises in the collector world. In today's video, we are going deep into the history, the beautiful design features, why this coin is so rare and desirable, its booming market value in dollars, and a few important tips if you're thinking about collecting or investing in it. So make sure you stick around till the end because you do not want to miss this. Let's start by diving into the rich and inspiring history behind this incredible coin. The Australia $1 2003 coin was minted to celebrate the 100th anniversary of women's suffrage in Australia, marking a century since women first gained the right to vote in federal elections. Australia was actually one of the pioneers in granting women this powerful right, setting an example for the rest of the world. This coin does not just commemorate a political achievement, it captures a proud and transformative moment in history where Australia led a global movement toward equality and democracy. It is a coin that symbolizes change, courage, and the spirit of progress, which makes owning it not just about holding metal, but holding a piece of history in your hands. The design of the 2003 women's suffrage dollar is truly captivating. On the reverse side, it features a beautifully detailed depiction of a group of women marching with a Votes for Women banner, a powerful tribute to the suffrage movement. The artistry is impressive, with attention to fine detail that brings the image to life. Around the edges, the inscriptions are crisp and proud, stating 100 years of women's suffrage. The obverse side showcases the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Ian Rank Broadley, which is itself a hallmark of prestige and elegance. The overall finish of the coin, especially in extra fine condition, gleams with a brilliance that stands out among modern commemorative issues. It is not just a coin, it is a miniature piece of art and history combined, making it an absolute must-have for serious collectors and passionate historians alike. Now, let us talk about rarity, because that is where this coin truly shines even brighter. While a good number of these coins were initially minted for circulation, finding one today in extra fine condition or better has become extremely rare. Many coins from 2003 have suffered the usual wear and tear of circulation, making pristine examples highly prized. Collectors around the world are actively searching for coins that still retain their sharp details, minimal marks, and strong luster. Extra fine condition coins are becoming increasingly harder to find with every passing year. The demand is sky high because this coin ticks every box: important historical significance, beautiful design, limited surviving high-grade examples, and growing recognition in the global numismatic community. All these factors combined are driving a strong wave of collector enthusiasm and pushing values higher with time. Now, to the part everyone loves, the current market value. In today's action-packed collector market, an Australia $1 women's suffrage 2003 coin in extra fine condition is commanding impressive figures. Depending on the exact quality and visual appeal, these coins are trading anywhere between $220,000 and in some cases even higher if the coin borders on extremely fine or almost uncirculated condition. What is even more exciting is that prices have shown a consistent upward trend. As awareness grows and more collectors add it to their must-have lists, values are only expected to rise further. Auction platforms, collector forums, and specialized dealers are reporting strong demand and fast sales when these coins are listed, making it clear that this coin isn't just a collector's item. It's an investment opportunity that continues to shine brighter. If you are thinking about adding the 2003 women's suffrage dollar to your collection, here are a few tips to help you secure the best examples. First, always aim for coins in the best possible condition, extra fine and above. Look for sharp details in the marcher's features and the Queen's portrait. These are key indicators of quality. Secondly, if you are buying online or from dealers, ask for clear, high-resolution photos and make sure you are dealing with reputable sellers. Third, consider professional grading if your coin looks particularly clean. A certified grade can significantly boost its resale value. And finally, keep your coins properly stored in acid-free holders or capsules to protect them from scratches and tarnish. Remember, coins like this are more than just collectibles. They are historical treasures, and taking care of them ensures their beauty and value for future generations. To wrap it all up, the Australia $1 100th anniversary of women's suffrage 2003 coin is truly a standout piece in the modern coin world. Its powerful historical meaning, stunning design, increasing rarity, and strong market demand make it a must-have for any serious collector or investor. The fact that it continues to appreciate in value only adds to its appeal. If you have one of these coins in your collection already, congratulations, you are holding on to a real gem. And if you are looking to add one, now is the perfect time, while they are still relatively accessible. Coins like this do not just tell a story, they build a legacy. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more rare coin content, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Stay passionate, stay collecting, and I will see you in the next one.